the idea. Can chicken nuggets still taste good without eggs or breadcrumbs on this elimination diet? I'm about to find out if the nuggets will taste as good as this picture looks. All right, up and close and personal. So the first thing we're doing is basically taking the chicken thighs or chicken breast, whatever you're using, cutting it into 1.5 inch cubes. I'm just gonna eyeball it because I'm not gonna measure, and I'm going to cut off the fat. So next thing is we're going to whisk together arrowroot and water. Okay, half a cup. And now the water. We need 6 tablespoons. So this is the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And then we mix it or whisk it or whatever you want to do. So it's a solid when it moves. Oh, it's science. Science, man. Okay, we're done. We're done. It's mixed. It says set to the side. All right, chickpea flour. We need, all right, we got a cup. We need 1 teaspoon. All right, salt. Now pepper. How much pepper do we need? It doesn't say, it just says freshly ground pepper. So we're just gonna hope that's enough. And then whisk it together, mix it with more pepper since there's a little bit. Should be good enough. Okay. Done. Now what? In bowl 1, so that's the arrowroot, dip it in the powder. So basically, what we're doing, I got a plate. Oh, okay, we got this. We're gonna take the chicken, dip it. It doesn't really move. What the shit is? Dip it. Dipped, I guess. I did it how it asked, right? Yeah, huh. Okay. Dip it in here. Oh, what the fuck is this? Is that? Okay. So we're just gonna do that over and over again. All right, I'm back. Next is basically putting it on the skillet and cooking it. That's basically it. So I put coconut oil in here, let it melt, and now we're putting the pieces in here and we're gonna cook it and go from there. And I will basically see you guys with the review at the end, because yeah, you just cook this for a few minutes on each side. Move that over, and yeah, and then you're done. All right, I got some done. It's still cooking. They look like, you know, nuggets, I guess. I did have a bite. It's okay. It's not like the best. Like crunchy, there's a crunch, but like it's not the same, but it's doable. I do have this, so I'll try it with this too. I usually don't like nuggets by themselves, so maybe the sauce will help. But yeah, that's it. Welcome or goodbye, basically. Thanks for watching. This I give it a meh. Like, it's okay. Like, I won't make it ever again, but it was fun to do, except the coating thing. And next time I'll use chicken breast if I do something like this. But yeah, it needs more like seasoning. It's very bland, but I don't know. We'll see how the rest turns out. You guys have a good day, night, evening, whatever. Leave a comment down below. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.